Hello everyone, welcome back. We're live again. We're live on YouTube today. Hope everybody's good. We're gonna do the charts real quick and we're gonna get talking. First thing I'm noticing right away, SMT here at the top. Hey, what's this? Hey, SMT at the top. That started bringing us lower. Any of the farewell gaps from yesterday trading? As well. We have an hourly that we're bouncing away from. We have an hourly right above here. And we also have a inversion that we're working with, right? Bam. Okay. Yes. Of a previous day high right above current market price. That's my drawn liquidity for today, possibly. Because I'm not too keen on the lows getting tagged. There's a big chance because of this inversion on hourly that the marketplace will start bouncing lower, right? Just from the first sight. But now we come into a but. We have a SMT here at the top, right? ES went higher when NQ failed to do exactly the same. So we're not only in a SMT scenario at the top, considering yesterday's trading, we inverted this farewell gap right here, and we are bouncing away from this hourly. Also, that we're gonna put in green. SMT here. See? So, considering both markets now, 50-50. Right? I can't really say whether we're gonna push higher or lower from here just yet. That's only hourly. Only on the hourly chart. 15 minutes. Taking a look here, we inverted this imbalance. Here. Can this push higher? Of course it can. We're gonna see. Do the opening range now. Let's get rid of everything we had on yesterday's trading. Opening range not necessary anymore. First presented farewell gap can go also. And on ES. Always no more. I would love to see a Thursday high of the week instead of Wednesday printing it. Might not be a given though. We'll see. Regular trading hours opening. Okay, we have a massive gap right there down below. We have here what? Wednesday open. We have a Tuesday close. Massive gap. Right? And what do we have for today? The closer. Do the same on ES. I get to work. How's everybody doing today? Okay, so we're trading right at the Thursday close is what, 100 handles away, 6 handles away on ES. Yes, a little bit consolidating. Okay, hi Thomas. I'm alright, I think. I'm freaking dead though. got destroyed yesterday into the jiu-jitsu thingy. So it's a little bit hard. But we're cool. We're gonna push through this. I think no jiu-jitsu for me for a few weeks though. I bet no jiu-jitsu for a few weeks. Okay. We're logged in, we're good. Let's check the copier. Copier is good. Yeah, we're good. Ready to rock and roll. Are you? Hmm? Hourly looks hard to understand. Hourly looks hard to navigate. I'm gonna check if we have any news remaining today. President Trump speaks 6 p.m. Lithuanian time, right? Oh, this is gonna be a nasty live stream. Nasty in terms of price action that we're gonna get. I'm checking my FX book. My FX book says that no news. Okay. So we're pretty good. My voice is back to normal, kinda. That's good. That's good, man. You sounded you sounded deep, yes. I'm just trying to understand whether we're gonna start pushing lower from here or not. Because we're trading below midnight open, I would expect possibility of the market pushing to the upside, to be fair. But we never can be certain, right? Let's check in on Forex real quick. Never got to sell side. Euro never got to buy side. Hourly inversion though, pushing up price side. EU optimal trade entry. This should push higher. I think that's the bottom. This is a nice bottom for GU to push to the upside into that daily for Valga. My expectations for today are close to none because of the hourly and what we see there, and also because Trump is giving a speech later today. I'm not too excited. Not sure what to expect, but we're opening up right now. So we're gonna note that Thursday open. Made a mistake and nobody noticed it. Okay. Don't get too confused by all the horizontal lines, but I just need to keep in mind where we're trading, considering the last 2 or 3 trading days. You see how inefficient this delivery to the upside was? That's why I would expect the market to crash once we go through this buy side or an all-time high is booked. The remainder of January, once buy side is delivered, I'm gonna be watching lower prices, because this is way too inefficient right here as well, right here. These have to get covered, and they will, but we just have to find a good time on engaging with the marketplace to go down there, to get down there. Expectation for the marketplace to push lower from where we're trading right now is totally reasonable. I would full on understand this. Yeah. Totally fine. What are your expectations, guys? What are you watching? What are you looking for? Because, I don't know. This might be a pretty boring session. Yesterday's opening range was interesting, if you remember. Yesterday, YM pushed lower immediately, and we had a push to the upside on NQ. Yes, consolidated, you know, so 3 ways opening, which was a little bit hard to navigate, but it's cool. It's cool. 1:30 p.m. USD claims tentative USD president speaks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a speech starting at, what is it? 11, actually, not even 1:30. The speech starts at 11 today, which is even earlier. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, okay? Oh, because we don't have much to do with the market just yet. ICT is going mental. In other news, ICT is going crazy. ICT has been, I totally understand the guy, right? So, me personally, struggle with it, let's say mentally, because at the same time, if it's happening, like what can I do, right? We've been running a mentorship in November, a whole month. We collected a lot of video material that literally giving up to people, right? So I think 12 people in the mentorship right now. And I'm not saying that the issue is as there is an issue, but just as per se, people can just easily share it, you know? And I paid once, they can send it to whoever they want to, you know? Their own responsibility, I can't really control it. And ICT is struggling with it big time because there's people who, like me, for example, right? I had access to him since 2019. And we've been kind of even told to download everything from his forum, from his server, because he literally told us that one day it's going to disappear, right? Which actually happened in 2022. We lost access to everything, and if you didn't download it, he even gave us like a 3 weeks notice to download everything from there, you know? People were even making like data scraping tools to get everything together, which is funny. But where I was going this, he's struggling with a lot of people just taking his material, changing the logo, and selling it as theirs, you know, and literally selling that as theirs. And the guy is freaking angry because of it. Which, you know, anger is one thing, but acting mental on it is another. But he's been struggling with it for quite a while. He's been always vocal about it, and literally this morning he's been talking about for us in the private mentorship group for a week now. He's been going on and on and on about how tired he is of all this. And he literally told us that mentorship is over. That everything that we had privately from him is not be there anymore. And he's gonna make it all public. Which sucks, which hurts. Because me personally, I paid him shitloads of, I paid him over 13,000 US dollars to have access to him throughout this period, right? He's been collecting payments from us all over the place. And now he says that he can do whatever he wants to. And he's gonna make it all free and public. And it fucking sucks. You know? At the same time, I wouldn't be where I am right now if I didn't attend the mentorship itself, right? Through all the years. I wouldn't be here. I know it for a fact. Because it's becoming a profitable trader, becoming a, how to say it, becoming a confident trader, it's hard to do it on your own. You need mentorship. That's why I mentor, that's why I always advocate for it. Having somebody next to you that can help you out, that can hold you off sometimes from making mistakes, it's good, necessary. But yeah, so we've been through a lot with him, but at the same time it freaking sucks, you know, to have paid for everything and now to know it for a fact that everybody's gonna just start receiving it for free. Which is good for you guys. Like, you can't imagine if he's gonna share everything. Let me open my Google Drive. Let me open my Google Drive. I like giving you real numbers. Always, right? I'm opening my Google Drive where I go into trading, ICT, and I check the size of it. 538 gigabytes of video material. Half a terabyte of videos from ICT that the world has not seen yet, which is possibly even thousands of hours of material. If he's gonna release it, like, you know, sucks, but at the same time, hold your horses. Hold your horses, because one thing, you're gonna be excited to dive into it. You're gonna, right? But understand the fact that going through it, it's not gonna be necessary. Going through it, it's not gonna be necessary because you should have a system in place already. If you think that you're gonna go through it and you're gonna become a better trader because of that, you're not. It's not gonna happen. You're only gonna become a better trader if you're gonna focus on journaling, if you're gonna focus on your mental, you're gonna focus on trusting the model. And having a model first, right? Having a model and trusting the model. So, yeah, I don't know. What I'm trying to say here, because I'm getting there, right? What I'm trying to say here is that don't put yourself in a place where you're gonna try to believe that you're watching more and more content, which is gonna be released from ICT. Michael, he calls himself now, not ICT anymore, Michael now. Don't try to believe that you going through it is gonna improve your journey. It's gonna, of course it's gonna, but it's not gonna fix problems that you have right now. Okay? A lot of times what happens, I remember I went through periods of that. I'm gonna be looking to short this now. I went through bunches of that. We would be learning a strategy, I don't know, breaker blocks. I would put a lot of trust into breaker blocks and working with breaker blocks and so on and so forth, right? Boom, 2 days later, he introduces rejection blocks. And everything I know about breaker blocks would stop working for me because I would just be so confused about, whoa, a new thing, a new structure, a new way, no inversion, a new way of looking at things and looking at the marketplace. So where I'm bringing this, if you don't have a model, if you're not trading actively right now, and if you want to understand better how the marketplace works, content he's gonna release, it's gonna be awesome. I know, let's be honest here, 60-70% of the knowledge that I have about the marketplace is because of his content. The rest, 40-30% of the knowledge that I have about the marketplace is because I did the work myself. Okay? Understand that. It's going to be helpful for you as well. Okay? So, where I'm bringing this, again, sorry about this, but we're watching a market that I'm not too keen on trading. What I'm trying to say here is that put your head down. If you're still in the place where you're struggling, if you're still in a place where you're not too certain of what you're doing, you don't trust the model, or maybe you don't even have a model and you're just fooling around still, just be honest with yourself. Put your head down, do the fucking work, and get better. Okay? End of the rant. Back to the markets. Just 1 second. Sorry about that. So what do we have in the marketplace? The marketplace pushed to the downside, right? What do we have here? We have an SMT, and Q printed 3 lower candles, and ES failed to do that at 934. You see? Boom, push to the upside happens, bam. First for value gap opens up. We have a massive order block. Run to the upside, all right? Put a note on that. Put a note on that. If this breaks lower, I'm interested in taking that short. Very short term. A short-term short sounds ugly, but I'm interested in that. Short-term short. We'll see. But yeah, I'm coming back to what I was talking about because the marketplace is boring. Everything we're doing here, it takes time. Everything we're doing this here takes a lot of experience to come into a place where you're gonna trust it fully. Takes a lot to come to a place where whatever happens in the marketplace, you're gonna remain calm, you're gonna remain grounded, and you're gonna know for a fact that, yeah, I've seen this before. This happened before. This is not the first time I'm getting into a position like this, or this is not the first time I'm getting into drawdown. Whatever, right? Yeah. You need time with the marketplace, which is just a wonderful thing to do because you have to realize that you're not in a rush. You have to realize that you have shitloads of time. You have to realize that you're not doing this for starters. You're not doing this to make money, right? I'm saying a lot of things that might not be aligning. For you in terms of why are you coming into the marketplace to learn about trading, huh? But a nice thing to know for a fact that you're not in a rush, right? That you're not in a rush in terms of go in here, take a trade, make money, run away with it, lose it the next day. You're not in a rush. If you are, though, difficult. There's nothing that comes quick or easy or how to say it, or without a sacrifice when it comes to trading. Nothing. Okay? It's hard earned. It's time based. We're even learning about the marketplace, constantly talking about everything in the marketplace is time based. The learning curve you're having, whether it's fast, slow, whatever pace it is, it's also time based. Right? Keep that in mind. Pam pam pam. Good. Okay. Let me check on a few things. I'm gonna be with you in. I'm not leaving. I'm here, but I need. Mm-hmm. Bum, ba-dum, bum. So far so boring. I would love to see 10 a.m. still trade a little teeny tiny bit higher. And then hopefully crash a little bit lower towards the opening range lows. If that happens, brilliant. That happens, brilliant. Okay. Okay. I had to send an invoice somewhere. Sorry. So it looks like we're gonna invert it, but it's not 10 yet, so I'm not gonna touch it. Aurimas, let's go. What's good, man? Good to see you in the office today. Nice of you to pass by. Nice of you to pass by. Always cool to see you. Let's see if we're gonna invert this or not. If we do, it's great. If we do, it's great. We did. Should we though? We should. Let's go. It's gonna be a quick one though. We're in a situation where we're gonna know for a fact whether we're gonna continue lower or not immediately. Because what I want to see now is I want to see action, right? First 2 to 3 minutes, once we invert the first percentage for value gap, it's great when it starts ripping lower time, right? So if we're able to do that, awesome. If not, we're just gonna close off the position real quick, real rapid, okay? Keep that in mind. Take care of yourself. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I will once I'm healthy. Ha ha. We're in a rough spot today. A teeny tiny bit exhausted, a teeny tiny bit tired. But it's fine. We're gonna be just fine. So far, so good. Should I show you what I'm looking for? Hell yeah, Ignas. Please show us what you're looking for. Here you go. Take a look. Hooray. We're gonna take 2 off down there. The rest is gonna be history. Good trade, huh? Who's in? Give me A1 if you're in a trade. If you're not, it's cool also. I'm happy you guys are here. Also, 9 people watching. I don't see 9 likes to this live stream. Push that like button, guys. I highly appreciate that. Always. Okay? If you don't mind, it would be great. Thank you. Not too keen on seeing what is happening right now. Because we have this massive fair value gap, we're just gonna push the stop to break even. 1 tick below it is gonna do just fine. And we're risk free for the first trade of the day. Hooray! Tagged. Too bad. Too bad. Good break even though. Better than taking a loser, always, huh? Let's see, I'm gonna leave this annotation on to see whether we're gonna be able to still do this, because we're just coming back into the first present for value gap of the day. Wicking through this actually. Re-entering now? No, I won't. We ain't gonna do that. Okay? I'm just keeping this on for purposes of viewing this. This gets inverted, that would be cool. It'd be cool to see this inversion being reclaimed, right? We are right now. You possibly could be still in a position, but I don't like what I see from the marketplace currently, so I'm not too keen on taking unnecessary risk here. Okay? We're gonna allow this to run, and then we're gonna look for another option to trade, okay? Nice push to the downside. Very nice push to the downside. Picasso's for value, I'm doing the work. Just like I said, we're expecting a little bit, a teeny tiny bit of lower prices to get the marketplace into a fair value, right? To make it liquid again. Yeah? To make the marketplace balanced, per se. My dog is sleeping on the couch. I'm jealous. I'd love to join. This is a nice push to the downside. Come on, let's give sell side an opportunity to get delivered. We're pushing lower now from this Thursday open. The short from Thursday open, like beautiful, right here. You could be in a position if you wouldn't be chatting with people like I am. Beautiful delivery so far. Precise as well. But again, this is a very little range. This is a very small range. And I'm not too keen on just taking a trade that is in the range. I usually love taking a little bit larger positions for larger runs in liquidity. That's cool. It's all right. Still bearish, right? We're getting a break of structure here on ES that might push us to the upside, so I'm not too keen on putting much more time into this position. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. Fifty-fifty totally here. It can either run higher, run lower. This reclaimed inversion can push it lower easily, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. You see how that reclaimed inversion is not holding in? It's presented for value gap here on the S. The price, allowing it to push higher. Buy side is listing at 21,919 and a half. Very boring market open. But guys, expect it. Trump is going on stage in 47 minutes. Full on expected. Opportunity was presented though. Opportunity was presented. A short was given for value gap. Or Picasso's for value gap. Great. No, SMT at the top looked like an SMT, but this is awful, guys. I'm very honestly thinking we're just gonna close the stream because nothing interesting is happening. So I'm gonna give it 13 more minutes till 10:30. And if there's no impulses, nothing to work with in terms of imbalances, like, not much we can do here, you know? Unless you guys, unless you guys have questions, unless you guys want me to rant about something, please feel free, please do. First for Algab on NQ, holding it nicely. It's great. Let's see. 1017. 1017 is going to be the last line of defense for shorts. Let's watch that. I'm not gonna take this. Let's watch this. Let's watch this panel. Oi, sorry. Let's watch this. Okay. So far, so good. And we're gonna get annihilated, right? I hope you didn't take it. But guys, I'm thankful for all of you being here. Forex is crashing lower right now, while as we see Nasdaq pushing to the upside. Nothing is in sync right now. Allow Mr. Trump to do his speech. Focus on PM session today. Buy side is resting above the marketplace, and keep in mind that regular trading hours gaps are right below, so we're still in the 50-50 scenario. Use higher time frames. It will make your life a lot easier. Don't stick to 1 minute, 30 seconds, 50 seconds. Go for higher time frames, okay? Will make your life easier. And that's it from me today. Hope you very much enjoyed it. We ranted about ICT and trading a little bit in the very beginning. I hope you didn't mind me doing that. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow in Discord Q&A at 8:15 New York time. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.